Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, with the goal of making profits from small price movements. It requires a good understanding of the market, analysis of price trends, and the ability to make quick decisions. Day trading offers the potential for higher profits as traders can take advantage of small price movements throughout the day. Investing in emerging markets offers the potential for high returns due to rapid economic growth and increasing consumer demand. The ability to work from anywhere has become increasingly popular, offering flexibility and freedom to professionals. With the advancements in technology and the widespread availability of remote work opportunities, individuals can now choose to work from a variety of locations, including their homes, co-working spaces, or while traveling. Making quick decisions and taking swift action is crucial for success in many situations, allowing for adaptation to rapidly changing circumstances and seizing opportunities before they slip away. Day trading carries significant risk due to the high volatility of the stock market, leading to potential financial losses. Investing in high-risk assets such as speculative stocks, cryptocurrency, or leveraged instruments can lead to substantial financial loss due to market volatility and uncertainty. It is important to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved before engaging in such investments. Emotional and psychological stress can have a profound impact on an individual's well-being, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and overall mental strain. It can be caused by various factors such as work pressure, personal relationships, or traumatic experiences, and can manifest in physical symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and insomnia. Committing to learning a new language requires a significant amount of time and dedication, as consistent practice is crucial for improvement.